One time in my life that I stopped dancing because of someone else, and I completely hated myself for that. My name is Silvia Studios. I'm the owner of the Salsa with Silvia Studios in Washington, D.C. and Bethesda. When I was 13 years old, my parents went through a pretty rough divorce. And at that time, I had already started dancing. And that was the one thing that I was looking forward to, and the one thing that made me feel better.
Coming to dance salsa took me to another level of happiness. I like to go to the gym, run, and all that, but coming to the studio is part of my schedule, the every week schedule, every month schedule.
Being a businesswoman is very difficult. A lot of people don't realize what it takes. Having a family, having kids, it adds a lot of other challenges, of course.
You may speak like this or like that with an accent or not with an accent. But being here made me realize that a lot of people come from different backgrounds, a lot of people speak different languages, and here they can find themselves in a community that supports that and feel that they belong and they can, start like a new life here. For me, it was like a professional life. For our clients, it will be, like kind of a different lifestyle that they can have, different activity they can take up. So I think it makes a lot of impact in everybody's lives.
I was feeling kind of awkward at the beginning, but the teachers actually, they make you inclusive on the lessons. They don't care about if you're doing something wrong or not.
We've had so many people come to us after the pandemic and tell us that we've saved them from depression. And that's because dance just builds so many positive emotions and endorphins in your body that you just feel better after dancing. Knowing that we're giving something positive to people, to the community, made me just fight and go forward no matter what happened.
I started to start salsa when I was going through a really bad time of my life with my kid. He was trying to commit suicide. I never thought that that's going to happen to me. Fortunately, now he's going forward in life. That was something that brought me to the studio.
For me, dance has always been a lifesaver. So whenever I've been through difficult times in my life, dance has always been there for me. And in many ways, for everyone who goes to work and has a difficult day and comes to class, I guarantee that they walk out feeling completely different.
Be patient, because there are many good things in life that you will find. There are also going to be some difficult things in life that you may face, but just trust yourself, because your inner self is what matters.
I'm glad for the teachers that we have in front of us, that they help us to overcome all those fears. I feel much better, and naturally I'm a real happy person, but they give you extra energy taking the classes and dancing.
You're going to meet so many new people, you're going to create so many new friendships and memories. And on top of that, it will help you with your physical and mental health, so you would never look back.